This is my Python class. This is how I find a project, okay?
Okay.
When we find a project, I chose Wordle, and this was inspired by the real game Wordle. And I made this because I wanted to make the game. I wanted to make the game where I can use Wordle continuously. Because usually the Wordle only chooses one word a day, so you can't use it continuously. In this project, I use a list and a function. A list can hold an amount of things like letters, numbers, for example here.
Okay.
And you can name a list and call it again when needed. A function, they act as a special code, a code holder created by the user so the code can be used over again.
Mm-hmm.
And then for this function is called clean text.
I see.
Okay, so these are some of my code examples. In this one, they find if what you wrote is in the word bank or not. For example, if I write something that is not 5 letters, it can write it's not in the word bank. For this one, I'm doing if I want to play another round. For example, if I say yes or no, if I say no, then it'll show you the score and then it'll end the game. If you say yes, then it'll clear the history and choose another random word and then continue the game. And then here for a live demonstration. Low. Okay. And then live demonstration. Example, like if I write something like C it's not like 5 letters, right? If I write it, it's not 5 words and it's not in the word bank.
Okay.
If I write something like Bobby, that's a name, it won't be in the word bank, so it's not in the word bank.
Oh.
Try playing.
Okay. 5 words, right?
Yeah. I just think
5 words.
the yellow is it's not in the right position, but it's in the word. Green is it's in the right position, it's in the word, and black is it's not in the word at all.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Interesting. Okay. There is an A and an H. So, so it's kind of hard.
I mean, like, you don't have to put the H in it. Like, are you up like audio? Because audio has A, E, A, I, O, U.
They.
Has a lot of vowels, so that's good because lots of words have vowels.
Can you give me some hint? This is already a hint.
It's random.
Random.
I'm not choosing the word.
Okay. It's not in the. Yeah.
For audio, there's the A and the O.
So.
Yeah, so you know there's the H, an A, and an O.
Oh, okay.
And it's just your word bank to see what you already have. You already guessed. Here's what you already guessed: heart and audio.
Okay, can I try this way? Um,
Oh, heart is a real word.
no.
It's not in the word bank. I showed you already.
Okay.
Okay, that'll be fun. So that's the live demonstration. Oh, wait. And let me just put it around the words. Like if I move up to 10,
Let me try.
um,
Let me try. Let me try. Um. Oh wait. Um. So I have S, I have O, I have H, I have A, but it's not in right position. I already have A.
you can try S at the front.
S, H,
A,
A, O, shout? No. Yes.
shout, O-U-T.
No, there's A. There's A. There's a O.
The A's next.
A, O. So this is not a word.
I mean, like, for example, if you just to like around.
Not Tia. I
No,
don't table, okay.
like if we do like, I don't know, some like words.
SH. There's a S, there's a H. Should be SH. There's a, there's a O. What's the word?
I don't know, it's random. It's actually random. I don't choose it. You have a
Okay. Well, how many attempts did I try?
you have 8. You have 2 attempts left. This is attempt
Okay.
8 out of 10.
Okay. No. Really hard.
It's not in the word bank.
Okay. Huh? Okay, shy is not in the word bank. No.
I need extra words.
Okay, can you try? It's really. We have a 5 letter. We already have 4. Yeah, we have H. So it's already attempt 10.
But it's not 5 words.
No, we have S, we have S, we have H, we have A, we have O. We already have 4 of them. What's the word?
Why ask me?
Hmm? What's the word?
I don't know. SHOA.
Yeah, SHOA. Do you know the answer?
No.
Yeah, we have 5. We have so we have S, right? We have H, we have A. A should be in the middle. O is wrong. It's right. So H, O, A.
No,
H
the A is in the middle.
is in the middle. Yeah, A has to be in the middle.
It's green.
So H is not in the front. So S should be in the front. So SHA. And there's O. What's the words come with 5 letter and and there is A and O. I don't know. S and then SHATO. SH T is not in the word. SHA. Oh, I don't know. So can we try?
Give me a random word. Money.
Yeah.
Alright, right. Ruler.
Rulers.
The chaos.
The word
Was chaos.
CH.
And then
Chaos.
you play another round. And then if I say no, it'll just stop the program.
Oh,
Say
okay.
yes,
Uh,
then restart.
okay,
see?
it's same word.
No, it's different. It's different word.
Oh, it's could become a different
could-
in the in the bank. Okay, okay, interesting,
Yeah,
interesting.
because it chooses another random word.
Okay, interesting.
And then my favorite part
Uh-huh.
of making special changes to make the game even better, like adding colors instead of placing letters. Because at first this was like Y for white, for like yellow, G for green, and B for black.
Oh, I see.
I can like place the colors. And improvements, I will add like the flipping mechanism on the real world. And I want the previous letters to stay on the screen and make a scoreboard so you can play competitively. You can like type in your name and you can like play a score, how fast you can like get the word. Thank you.
Okay.
And wait, one more thing before you leave. I want to show you the real world though.
Real world. What do you mean real world?